Hello everybody, I am here with some recent purchases. I've also got another horrendous cold. I'm going to the doctor's this week now because this has been like my fourth cold in 6 weeks and that ain't good. So I went to the pharmacist and they said, you need to go to the doctor, young lady, you need to go now. So I'm going to the doctor's, but I'm still here on the old YouTube with some recent purchases, and let's just get into it. So these are some beautiful A6 stitched hand-bound notebooks from Little Bird Singing, and you all know that I'm obsessed with anything Galaxy and Universe, so let's see what I bought here. They're all dot grid, I think, if I remember, yeah, and they're hand stitched and they are, hold on, $15 on each side, so that's 30 pages. That's going to last me a good amount of time in a month. And so that's like a, let's have a look at the cover. That's a beautiful Galaxy one. And then we've got the gemstones with a few kind of Galaxy features. And that's the same. Yeah, that's about the same. Lovely. And then this geometric Galaxy one as well. And I just love the fact that they're stitched and they've got a pretty cover and they're dot grid, and yeah, they are new to me. And then the lovely Sam from Sam Plans Life on Instagram and her blog, she had a little blog post about this company. They are called Note and Wish on Etsy. And oh, that's very kind. Thanks. Oh, Katie can't read. Thanks. I think that says so. Let's go with so. Thanks so much for supporting our very first washi design. For Katie, thank you for your order. Enjoy. What a cute little card. So we've got a Twilight masking tape. It says. Let's get in. Should I just get the knife? Let's just get the knife. This is secure, isn't it? Very secure. Stab, stab, stab. Right. Oh, it's really detailed. So we've got beautiful Galaxy design. Hope you can see that. That is lovely. And then I got some Cosmos Moon post-it notes. They're lovely too. Beautiful. And this one, which is very cutely wrapped. Oh, nearly there. Oh, it's so exciting. I like the paper too, I want to keep that. Oh yes, this one. This is their own designed one. Stab, 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 stab. How do you open your washi tapes? I'm all about the stab, 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 it seems. This is lovely. It's got some gold foiling on it. That's what really, they've got a lot of gold foiling. I might have to go back to their shop when payday arrives. Let's see this. Isn't it beautiful from what I can see already, and hope you can see that. Look at that. That's gorgeous. That's really, really beautiful. Lovely watercolours and beautiful gold. Very nice. Well done, Note and Wish. That is gorgeous stuff. So yeah, that's a recent little... Is that all I've got to show? Oh no, I've got more. Oh no, I haven't. I lie. I'm waiting for something, and I will show that another time. So that's my recent purchases. This is from the Love UK Planner Shop sale, and this was just because I saw Sam and she enabled me. So thanks, Sam. Speak to you soon. Bye.